everyone, how's it going? I'm Janelle, and on this episode of Real Clear Crypto, we'll discuss how to purchase NFTs. If you're interested in this super hot market right now, but are not sure how to get started, stay tuned and find out. Holding NFTs will require the setup of a digital wallet compatible with the native blockchain of the NFT that you're holding. Most NFTs are set up on the Ethereum blockchain, and because Metamask organically holds Ethereum assets, we're going to show you how to set up a Metamask wallet and deposit your Ethereum NFTs into that wallet. Step 1. Installing Metamask. On your chosen browser, navigate to metamask.io and click Download Now. Downloading Metamask will add the wallet as an extension for your browser. Metamask is supported by Google Chrome, Brave browser, Firefox, and Edge. Step 2. Once Metamask is added as a browser extension, you'll see the Metamask Fox logo in your browser. Click on the Fox and begin the setup process. Step 3. Follow the setup instructions. During the course of the process, you'll be given a backup phrase, which will be a 12-word key phrase that must be stored in a safe place and in the order that it is given to you. This key phrase must be kept private at all times. This is what you'll use to recover your MetaMask if your password is lost, and it will be needed to add your MetaMask wallet to other browsers and download the mobile version. It's best practice to write your key phrase down and store it somewhere that can't be hacked. Step 4. Once your backup phrase is written down, the next screen will make you rewrite your key phrase to ensure that you've written it down correctly. Once done, click Confirm. Your MetaMask is now ready for use. Step 5. Now it's time to fund your MetaMask Ethereum address with Ethereum. You can use MetaMask to buy Ethereum, or you can send Ethereum to your MetaMask address by copying and pasting your MetaMask public address into your pre-existing Ethereum wallet and send funds to your MetaMask Ethereum address that way. Step 6. When paying for NFTs with Ethereum through your MetaMask will act as your digital signature and automatically be designated as the Ethereum address to send your NFT. Your NFT will be sent to your MetaMask wallet once the transaction is confirmed.